Hey guys, today we're gonna be eating
Bar Cocoa.
This is called the Petite something. It's a chocolate mousse cake.
And this is the red velvet chocolate cupcake. And so we're at the
Omni Hotel.
at the bar. So
Yeah, we're at the bar because we couldn't find somewhere to sit and eat it. So we're here.
we were at the Ritz Carlton, but it's just so packed. You know, someone famous is coming. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and do a mukbang for you.
Okay. Get the knife. Okay. First bite.
Oh, this is a satisfying video.
Oh my gosh, they can't see it. I feel like I need to turn it around.
Okay, turn it around. Do to the side.
They still can't see it.
Oh well.
Okay, anyway.
That's peppermint. It's good. Wow, that looks so satisfying video right here.
Let me show them real quick. It's nothing but mousse inside.
That's what I like. But it's missing the gram. Because you know I like the gram. I'm about to do a satisfying cut video. I know y'all see this.
I can't even see anything.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
I know y'all see that.
It's so jiggly.
Wow, that's good. It's so good. Look at this. And it's satisfying video too. So good.
It's delicious.
We're definitely going back.
How was yours? Did you try it yet?
Oh, the icing is great.
Yeah. Show them. It's got sprinkles on it. I mean, not sprinkles. It's so sparkly, like glitter.
It's got like her makeup on it. So.
My highlight.
Yeah. Highlight popping.
Okay. I want to try. Did you try it yet?
No, I didn't. Bring out my fives too late. I'm be leaving like that. Wow, this is a.
It's something in there.
Whoa, a surprise.
What is that? What is it?
I'm gonna cut it open. You wanna find out what it is?
We'll get to it.
Anywho, we're going back around because I might be here to it. Anyways, let me cut my.
It's like mousse, but it's white.
It's a white mousse? Oh, this is moist cake right there.
You gonna finish all that?
Y'all like these satisfying videos. I know y'all do.
There's nothing satisfying about that. I usually don't care for frosting,
It's whipped.
but that frosting is good.
It's whipped topping. We should have put your little. What did you have before?
What?
Your strawberry.
Oh, I got this little like strawberry cheesecake thing. Right, that's long gone. I ate it like an hour ago.
Because we were waiting for a basketball player.
Yeah, we were waiting outside the Ritz Carlton because there was a Ferrari out there, and there was a McLaren. What was the other one?
Aston Martin. I got a picture with it, so.
And we thought one of the basketball players was gonna come and drive one of those cars, but we waited for a good minute. No one showed up, and we figured we were all just waiting for nothing.
I know what I'm gonna do.
You have a surprise in the middle too.
Whoa! Oh my gosh, we're just dissecting, y'all. We really are.
Turn it around.
What? Look.
What is that?
We see both of them. It's all Christmas present. This is what this is.
Oh my goodness. This is so worth however much it costs.
So today we went to a place called What's it called, honey? Sukoshi.
Sushi place.
It's part of Oku, but you know, I love Oku. I haven't been there. I thought this was gonna be the same thing as it, but it's not. But so far, we had kind of not a bad experience.
It wasn't a bad experience.
It's just not up to par what we thought it was gonna be.
You thought it was gonna be a fancy sushi restaurant like Oku?
Mm-hmm.
But it was like a little. It
Quick.
looked like fast food type thing.
Yeah, a quick spot. Another satisfying video. And watch it go apart.
Now watch him eat it. I love this frosting.
Wow.
They could have piled more on there and I would have ate it.
It's real good. I don't want to break that part so it fall in there. Oh, it's just
What
more
is
frost.
that?
It's more frosting.
Is it more frosting?
Mm-hmm.
No. That's it's like the stuff inside a Lindor chocolate truffle. It's truffle.
It's truffle.
Truffle.
Oh,
I'm getting chocolate wasted.
right before my fries.
Justin loves sweets. He can eat sweets like so much.
I'm allergic now.
He can eat like so many sweets, like a whole pack of Oreos in one sitting.
Mm-mm.
But I just need a few bites to satisfy my cravings, and I'm good.
This is something I can say she is. She loves sweets. Well, I didn't say that right. Well,
I'm gonna see if I can get into that white part.
well, just eat that white part. It's good.
I don't taste a big difference.
I still can see it. I really love the satisfying look. And pull apart. And let it ring. And water that. And let it ring.
You're just playing with your food at this point. I can't finish this. Last bite.
Okay.
That frosting is so good. I hope that glitter's edible.
You're gonna have glittery poop. I guess I didn't get my fries in there. Wow, it came in there.
Got a little bit of the frosting up there, the cake, and the truffle.
Maybe it might be at fries. No, no fries.
Oh, that truffle is too sweet. Need some
That's
water.
so good.
I'm done. Are you done?
Put that right there and the napkin.
Are you done? Or are you still eating?
I'm almost done. I just one more bite and then I'm waiting on our fries and the water. But we still haven't got our water yet.
I think they forgot about us. It's okay.
That was on the ground. I won't put it in there. Alright, last bite for me. Because I'm a fatty.
I feel the sugar.
I feel the sugar rush. I said it
Want
first.
to drink your me soda?
Knock on wood.
That's not what people use knock on wood for.
Yes, they do.
Knock on wood
They
is
want
like...
you to drink your soda. You say, knock on wood.
No, knock on wood is when you say something like...
The same time.
No, when you're trying not to jinx yourself.
Mm-mm.
When it's like, oh, I've never broken a bone before, knock on wood.
Mm-mm. You also say it when you...
I don't remember that. You had so much chocolate on your tongue right then. You're like... So, what is the time limit we're gonna give our fries?
Right now it's been
Because
10 minutes.
It's been a whole 10 minutes, probably longer than that. Which 10 minutes is not that long of a time, but we're gonna give them 10 more minutes.
Maybe I should ask for our waters?
Yeah, because I got too much sugar in my mouth right now. Okay. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.